Hello, everyone. Today, we will practice the word deadline. Let's practice together. Deadline.
The deadline is near.
I have a deadline tomorrow. Meeting the deadline is important.
The project deadline is Friday.
We must finish before the deadline.
She missed the deadline yesterday.
Can you extend the deadline? The deadline causes stress sometimes.
I set a deadline for this task.
Deadline pressure helps me focus.
We discuss the deadline in meetings.
The deadline affects our schedule. Please respect the deadline strictly. Deadline extensions are rare here.
I plan my work around deadlines. The deadline is a fixed date.
We track progress before the deadline. Deadline reminders help me stay on track.
Meeting deadlines improves teamwork.
The deadline motivates me daily. I always check the deadline date. Deadlines are part of work life.
Thanks for practicing with me. Please subscribe, like, and share. See you in tomorrow's video.